These days, there are a number of criteria that have to be considered when it comes to implementing a true business-class wireless network. It has to be fully compliant with all of today's latest digital devices, plus the innovations that are just around the corner. It also has to provide the coverage and capacity you need today, with built-in intelligence and flexibility to adapt to the changes that occur in the real world, both planned and unplanned. Additionally, it needs to be able to protect your valuable information by offering business-class security, while giving authorized users the power to move seamlessly throughout your facility, to collect data, automate certain tasks, and troubleshoot whenever necessary. Finally, your business-class wireless network has to be rugged, durable, and designed to be readily expandable, while offering low acquisition, deployment, and management costs for many years into the future. The Wing Express by Motorola Solutions offers all of these innovations and more at a price point that is truly game-changing for your organization. With simple out-of-the-box deployment, government-grade security, and true enterprise performance, the Wing Express is the most capable, cost-effective wireless infrastructure solution designed specifically for the needs of small to medium businesses that does not require an IT department on standby to operate. For more information on how the Wing Express can transform the way your company does business, contact IMCorp today to receive a complimentary needs analysis. www.imcorpinc.com or 800-878-7889.